breaking update coming in just now. Sources telling your channel that the CBI has recorded a few more statements in the Sushant death investigation. Now, while the agency is tight-lipped about the identity of the individuals who have been examined, sources say they are pivotal to the case. The SIT has also gone through the diary that has been prepared by the Bihar police. So, apart from the family members, including the father, who has already been his statement that has already been recorded by the CBI, we're getting to know that a few more people have been taken on board on the investigation that has been conducted by the CBI. Shravan is with us with more inputs on this. So by the time the top court decides on the transfer petition, here is the CBI, which is continuously conducting its investigation, though we don't know who all have been questioned or their statements taken till now. Shravan?
Well, in fact, the latest that we are picking up from our sources within the Central Bureau of Investigation, as far as the death probe is concerned, we are being told that some key players, their statements have been recorded by the Central Bureau of Investigation. However, the agency is completely tight-lipped about whose statements have been recorded at this stage, because remember, what the CBI essentially is doing is carrying out a professional investigation by ensuring that it goes through a proper, stepwise manner. The investigation is carried out. They, in fact, started by recording the statement of the complainant in this particular case, which happens to be the father of the late actor, and then the other family members of the late actor, which includes sisters of Sushant Singh Rajput, whose statements have been recorded. Thereafter, the agency was given to understand, started examining the statements that have recorded and also looking at the evidence that has been shared by the family members with the agency. All the evidence has now been perused, and thereafter a few more statements have been recorded, which agency sources essentially indicating that they are key players, and their testimony becomes extremely crucial to understand where does the case exactly lie at this stage. Apart from that, we are also being told that the case diary of the Bihar police has already been shared with the Central Bureau of Investigation. In fact, they are also going through the case diary, because remember, the case diary at this stage becomes also very crucial for the Central Bureau of Investigation, because one line of investigation has been carried out by the Bihar police, which includes recording the statements of various individuals, including those who were present at the crime scene, and more importantly, also looking at the post-mortem reports. But at this stage, as far as the post-mortem report, the viscera report are concerned, those details are still not with the Central Bureau of Investigation. Those details would only be available before the agency once the SIT team actually reaches Mumbai. I'm told that perhaps the SIT team would be only coming to Mumbai after the Supreme Court order comes in, because they are waiting for a clear-cut order as far as the jurisdiction is concerned.
All right. Thanks very much, Shravan, for joining in. So another